I'm going to show you two things in this video. One is the whole idea of snippets, reusable content, and the other one is creating a button, a call to action button specifically. So what we'll do is we'll go down to our snippet library, and I'm going to tap new because I'm going to add a new snippet. And you can see it's just like adding any other card. And I'm going to add a button. So I'll click the link here, and I'll add a button. Now I can add a Dropbox link. I can also create an enrollment link. It's self-populating with my member number, or my Lori's member number, in both the sponsor and the enroller. Let's see, I can't remember which one's which. Here we go, that's the sponsor number. So I'm going to, really you only need the enroller number, and it'll default if you only put that in, but I'm going to go ahead and copy it in both just so I'm keeping track of it and everyone's clear on what we're doing here. I'll tap the create enrollment link, and that's going to be an enrollment link that's going to be just like the link builder in the virtual office. So, sorry, somebody's sending me a text, but that's created the actual link URL there. Now I'm going to make this a green button by pressing there, and the button text is going to be get started. I'm not going to redo these videos when somebody makes a little noise or something. This is just life. Rather get them out and get them to you than have them be perfect. And there's nothing perfect about our day-to-day lives. We get busy and people make noise and devices beep. So we'll type save, and this is going to just save this information in the snippet at this point, and you can see there it is. But now I'm going to actually save that snippet, so I'm going to tap save again, and there I've got that snippet. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to home and to pages, and I know I have a nice essential rewards card already, so I'm going to go into that folder. And now we're going to go down to options, and we're going to edit that card, and we're going to add the button. So we'll pick the edit option, we'll tap to edit, and I'm going to go to the bottom here, and I'm going to go ahead and add a couple things here. I'm going to first add the business card information that I've already put in, and now I'm going to also add a snippet. So I'm going to go to the little heart, like favorites, the snippets, and I can tap to use this snippet. That's the button that we just created. And there it is. And now we've added some business card information, and we've added the Get Started button. If you think, well, that's too much space, you could always delete that one space, because again, it's just like a word processor here. So we've taken this existing card, we've added the business card information, and we've added a call to action button right there. And I'll tap save, and it's still in edit mode, so I'm just going to tap the options again, get out of edit mode so I can see the card, just how it's going to appear when I share it with someone else. That's what they would see. So that's an example of snippets and creating buttons. Now we could have just as easily created a button that would link to a file, maybe a PDF file that we have in our Dropbox, or it could have linked to a web page as well. So we have a lot of flexibility in terms of buttons and how they're used, but the most powerful way to use it really is to use the link builder and have it go to your enrollment page. Enjoy.